Hi everyone. I'm here at Mapolo tonight. The appetizers that we've ordered is dynamite prawns, and the main course will be the oyster and beef with rice and noodles, often grilled chicken with rice, and then the dessert will be creamy Nutella and French toast, and the cocktails will be strawberry lemonade. So now we will share the appetizer. This is the dynamite prawn. It was really awesome thing. Simple but it's really good. Finally, the food is here, and ta-da! Really hungry now. So come on, let's dig in and let's try this dish. Stomach sauce on this, but it's good. I'm gonna try is the Moroccan chicken gravy. It's really creamy, cheesy, perfect grilled of the chicken. Like it's really nice, really good. Strawberry lemonade, and it was really good. So now after the food that we had, a great food, now it's time for the dessert. So I'm done with my dessert. It was really, really good. So good. Now we're done with our food, and it was totally rock. The food was so amazing. It was really good, and I enjoyed a lot.